Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you 3 different ways to turn off or restart the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. You can use these methods on the S26 and S26 Plus as well. Let's dive in. The first method to power off is by using a simple button combination. Simultaneously press the volume down and power buttons for a second. This will bring up the power menu. Just tap power off or restart as per your requirement and confirm your option. The second method is through your quick panel. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to reveal the quick panel. You will see a power icon there. Tap it and the familiar power menu will appear, allowing you to restart or turn off your device. The third method is by remapping the side key. By default, long pressing the side key on the Galaxy S26 Ultra activates Gemini. But you can remap it to open the power menu instead. Here is how. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the quick panel. Tap the power icon. Choose Side Button Settings. Under long press, change the selection from Digital Assistant to Power Off menu. Now, whenever you long press the side key, you will get the power menu directly. And that's it for this video on how to power off your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching.